How do you find needle in a haystack bugs? Have you ever faced a bug in your code that seemed impossible to find? These elusive bugs, often called needle in a haystack bugs, can be quite a challenge. But fear not, there are effective methods to track them down. First, you need to reproduce the bug consistently. This means recreating the exact conditions under which the bug appears. By doing this, you can observe the problem directly. It is essential to understand the bug's behavior and test potential fixes. Once you can reproduce the bug, the next step is to narrow down its location. Identify where the bug occurs in your codebase. This involves isolating the specific module, function, or line of code responsible for the issue. You can use techniques like adding logging statements or setting breakpoints to trace program execution. Now, let's focus on determining the root cause of the bug. This is the core reason the bug happens. You may need to analyze data flows, variable states, and program logic at the time of failure. Tools like debuggers and log analyzers can assist you in examining these details. A helpful approach is to use a binary search method. This means dividing the code into sections and testing each one to efficiently pinpoint the bug's origin. Throughout this process, it is important to maintain a calm and patient mindset. Complex bugs can be frustrating, but clear thinking and systematic investigation will improve your chances of success. Consider your system as layers or components. A bug might appear in one layer, such as the user interface, but be caused by another, like back-end logic or database issues. Tracing through these layers helps you avoid missing the true source of the problem. You can also use various debugging techniques to assist you. Backtracing is one method where you follow the program's execution backward from the point of failure. Another technique is rubber duck debugging, where you explain the code and problem aloud to clarify your thinking. Log analysis is also useful for reviewing logs to spot unusual behavior or errors. Additionally, clustering bugs by grouping similar reports can help identify patterns that lead to the root cause. Finally, after you have identified the bug, it is time to fix it and validate your solution. Thorough testing is necessary to ensure the bug is resolved and that no new issues arise from your fix. Finding needle in a haystack bugs requires a structured approach. By reproducing the problem reliably, isolating the bug's location, and understanding the root cause through systematic analysis, you can effectively tackle these challenging issues. Remember to use appropriate debugging tools and techniques while maintaining patience and a clear workflow. This method will help you master software debugging and fix programming bugs effectively.